Here's how to calculate how much home you qualify for in just a few minutes. So a quick example for you. Let's say you make $120,000 in gross income a year. What you'll do is you'll divide that number by 12 months, which gives you $10,000 per month of gross income. Side note here, not all income is calculated the same way. So message me if you have other variable income like bonuses, commission, overtime, extra shifts, you name it. Okay, now you're gonna multiply that gross monthly income of $10,000 by 0.45, which gives you $4,500 a month. Next, you'll want to subtract out any of your monthly minimum expenses found on a credit report. So not your current rent payment or cell phone bill, but things like a car payment, credit cards, student loans, unsecured debt, etc. For this example, I will use $1,200 a month. So subtract $4,500 minus $1,200, which leaves you $3,300 a month. Now just simply multiply that number, the $3,300, by 130, and you're left with $429,000, or approximate price of a home that you would qualify to buy in this market. Was this helpful? Drop a message down below.